welcome back to Love Vegan Kitchen again. Today we are having special guests again, and we got Chef Mauro today gonna cook for us. So what we are going to cook today, Chef Mauro?
Today we will show you how to make Kimchi Tempeh. And tempeh is a fermented tofu, and we will cook with 4 different colors of kimchi, because we invented kimchi purple, yellow, green and red. So each plate we have different color of kimchi and different flavor. So now I'll show you how to cut the tempeh. So this is the block of homemade tempeh. We slice in piece like that. You can see inside the tempeh is beans, because it's a soya beans fermented. This white color outside is the fermentation of the tempeh, and this is really good, very nice. They have like a smoky flavor. We will use all the block because we will cut and cook in 4 colors. So small pieces like this. Sorry for the plaster, but I bought a new knife and they work very well.
To prove they're really sharp.
Yeah, very sharp. Voila, tempeh is cut, and now we go on the fire. Voila, ready to cook. So we take the tempeh, we warm it up the pan. Yeah, and we put the tempeh without oil, because oil cook is not good, it's cancerogen, so we don't use oil. We add a little bit soya sauce. Yeah, and we add a little bit water. Yeah, and we leave the tempeh cook for a couple of minutes. You can see the tempeh, they how do you say when they suck all the flavor? Absorb. Thank you.
Is that right?
Yeah, good word. They absorb the soya sauce, so we have the saltiness now inside the tempeh, and we will add now kimchi purple, or viola, what I choose to call. You can see the kimchi viola is made with red cabbage and rosemary. Rosemary is help the body to take out infection, so it's very good to have rosemary in your meal. Fire up. You can see the tempeh, they take the color of the kimchi, so slowly they become purple. We add a little bit water, and this is not dangerous, it's water. Yeah, it's good for our body. We are make our body is 80%, 90% of water, so nice and good. You can see the tempeh, they have a nice color. They take all the color from the kimchi, and it's ready to go to the plate. Voila! Now we cook the yellow kimchi. So we cook the tempeh with soya sauce and water, and we add the kimchi yellow. Kimchi yellow is made with white radish and turmeric. turmeric is another nice powder, good for the body. They take inflammation for the body. So very nice have turmeric in your meal. Tempeh is ready with kimchi yellow, and now we will put on the plate. Now we will tempeh with kimchi green. Cook the tempeh with the water and soy sauce. Now we add the kimchi green. Kimchi green is the nice kimchi made with the mint and spirulina. This kimchi is the kimchi they love the young generation. So all the young people, they love kimchi green. We went in Italy in February. We have a cooking class in a professional school where the young guy they learn how to cook, and we give 10 a.m. in the morning kimchi green to try, and they go crazy. They enjoy the kimchi and they say we want more kimchi. So yeah, kimchi green is very nice. We add a little bit water. And we leave, you can see slowly, also the green is not strong in color. The tempeh they absorb the color and the flavor. Kimchi green is cooked. You can see the tempeh, they take the green color. And now we go on the plate. Voila, and now we cook the tempeh with kimchi red. We cook the tempeh already with water and soy sauce, and we add the kimchi red. You can see the kimchi red, they have carrot. I love carrot, so I put carrot almost in more than 3 of my kimchi. We mix. And we add a little bit water. And we put the lid on top and we leave cook for a couple of minutes. Yes, and now we put the tempeh in the plate. We take a rice, we steam it rice white and brown. We make a bowl here on the plate, and then we have the tempeh on the fire. Put some juice on top of the rice. You can see the tempeh change the color. They take some red from the kimchi. Some piece they go out as well. Yes. Nice. So now the important part, the dressing. How we dress the tempeh. We already put soy sauce, so we tested and we understand if it's salty enough. We need more soy sauce. This is already salty enough. So we put very important ingredient. You can see the color. Extra virgin olive oil from Tuscany. After this, we put. This is my homemade vegan parmesan, made with hemp, almond, sunflower, sesame, black salt, and nutritional yeast. This small piece yellow is the nutritional yeast. And all the other nuts is blend together, and the nutritional yeast is just mix like when you mix the cream from the bottom to the top to not broken the part of the nutritional yeast. So we sprinkle on top the vegan parmesan. Voila. And we put some spring onion. and some gochujang. If my experiment work, yes. Voila. And for the last, some sesame. Put white sesame and a little bit of black sesame. Here we go. And the kimchi tempeh red is ready. You can find a recipe of my homemade kimchi in my book Kimchi 360 Degree, published in different language in ebook and in 2 languages in paper copy, in Italian and in English. You can find it in our website, in Instagram or in Amazon. Thank you so much. Yeah, now we dress in the kimchi green. Put extra virgin olive oil. This extra virgin olive oil is from my father tree, so amazing. We put vegan parmesan. Spring onion. Gochujang, spicy fermented Korean sauce. And some sesame, white and black. Voila!
So now as you can see, today is kimchi tempeh. The chef Mauro cooking it and we try it and it's so amazing. As you probably can see, the place is all nearly empty. So and so now we're going to talk about the restaurant, and if some of you wanted to go and try the food in the restaurant and where to find the restaurant. Where is the
restaurant? Is 64 Brick Lane, London, in Shoreditch, and we are open every day, and you can find it, me and my wife, and all 4 colors of kimchi, and kimchi tempeh, and other maybe 20 or 30 different dishes with kimchi and without kimchi. But see you next time for a new recipe. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I was gonna say, all the food chef cooked today is really healthy. It's no oil or anything. It's just really easy to make as well. So thank you again for watching, and Love Vegan will see you next time, and hope you enjoy our video and our cooking today. Bye bye for now. See you next time.